Hi guys, this is me Hajra Wadhaya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another vlog. So guys, this is our Medina vlog और अभी हम मदीना पहुंच चुके हैं. ये हमारे होटल है. So yeah, let's start the Medina vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. So this is our room and we had really short time in Medina. So ये vlog बहुत ही precise और छोटा सा है और I hope you guys will enjoy it. So let's start the vlog. Assalamu alaikum guys. So welcome back to the next vlog and we are officially in Medina. My situation is really bad right now, but actually we have our Rauda appointment tonight, so I was like, let me just get done with it, then I'll do anything else. So guys, we are done with our Isha prayers और अब रात को 10-11 तक जो है हमारी अपॉइंटमेंट है रौदा की. So really looking forward to that, and even just thinking about it makes me super emotional. Just going close to that place is like, it gives you goosebumps, man. So I'm really looking forward to that, though I'm not feeling too well, but still that really gives me lots of motivation. So this is the beautiful Masjid al-Nabawi. And we are walking towards our hotel. So we'll just rest for a little bit and then we'll get ready for our Rauda appointment. So yeah. So guys, here we are for our Rauda appointment. और बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुकून से और अच्छे से हमारा ये जो है सलाम पेश हो गया और हमने नफल पढ़ लिया. इट वॉज सच अ इमोशनल एंड ब्यूटिफुल एक्सपीरियंस दैट आई कांट एक्सप्लेन. सो वी आर हियर एट दिस मिनी फूड स्ट्रीट और यहाँ की आज आइसक्रीम बहुत फेमस है, और आई डोंट फील गुड राइट नाउ बिकॉज मुझे थोड़ा जो है ना कोल्ड शोल्ड जैसा लग रहा है. अदरवाइज आई वुड हैव ट्राइड इट. अभी हम जा रहे हैं कॉफ़ी लेने बिकॉज माई हेड इज़ नॉट वर्किंग. सो गाइज, वी आर हियर फॉर आवर अर्ली मॉर्निंग ब्रेकफास्ट.
Yes, we slept.
Yeah, we slept for 2 hours.
No, no, no.
I slept for 2 hours. Hi guys, so today is our day 2 in Medina. First day तो हम बहुत tired थे. We had our Rauda appointment, so we were all busy with that stuff. I also want gum. Shukran. So tomorrow is Saudi Republic Day. So यहाँ पे सारी डेकोर हुई हुई है, अच्छी ऑफर्स एंड डिस्काउंट्स भी लगे हुए हैं. So right now we are heading Haram. We'll offer our Maghrib prayers. So आज कुछ ऑफिशियल सा डे लग रहा है बिकॉज कल हम बहुत ज़्यादा थके हुए थे. चेक इन हुआ, ऑल ऑफ दैट, एंड वी हैड आवर Rauda अपॉइंटमेंट. प्लस आई वाज नॉट फीलिंग गुड. आई स्टिल फील सिक, बट अब किसी भी तरह से जो है अपने आप को मोटिवेट किया है, मेडिसिन ली हैं बिकॉज वी जस्ट हैव लास्ट 2 days. सो आई थॉट टू मेक द मोस्ट आउट ऑफ इट. सो अभी हम जा रहे हैं हरम while I enjoy my qahwa, and we'll offer Maghrib prayers, and then we'll go get some stuff that I want, and yeah, that is going to be our routine for the 2 days. Let's see if we go to Quba. We are planning. Let's see जाते हैं या नहीं. And we also have to try 2 more new coffees, right? One. Why? Arabica also if we go, yeah, if we go to Quba, then वहाँ पर एक और कॉफ़ी प्लेस है तो वो हम ट्राई कर लेंगे. बट अभी यहाँ हरम के करीब एक और है जो हमने ट्राई करनी है. कल हमने एक ट्राई की थी. सो या दैट्स दैट. लेट्स हेड टू हरम. और मेरी कहवा ठंडा हो रहा है, सो आई एम गोना हैव दिस. Today we are trying this coffee place, Kia, maybe that's what it's called, and it's near the small food street here. So yeah, I got myself Spanish latte. Let's see how it turns out. So guys, today is our last night in Medina and we are roaming in the streets and we are heading towards our hotel ताकि हम सारी पैकिंग कर लें और उसके बाद हम चले जाएं हरम. और फिर we have to take obviously our good night sleep because we have our whole day flight tomorrow because it's a connecting flight. So it's gonna like all the entire day is going to be consumed into that. So we'll be super drained. That's the reason we have to take a good night's sleep tonight so that we can handle the day coming next. So yeah, we are just going to the hotel and we'll complete our packing and then we'll head to Haram. So we came quickly here to Masjid Quba. How beautiful this mosque is. So we had to offer 2 rakat nafils. So we thought before we head to the Haram, we should get done with this. So we came here and we offered our 2 nafils. So guys, we are very sad because it's last night in Medina. Now we are heading to Haram. We are also very hungry. But we are going to Haram and we're going to spend most of the night time in Haram. We'll make so many duas and yeah.
Boing.
And I'm very hungry, so then I'll go home and eat something.
Me too.
Look at my niqab going everywhere.
But not on your face, huh?
So guys, we were super duper hungry. So here we are at Kudu to grab some food. And it's the last night, so हम सारी चीज़ें खाना भी चाहते हैं so that we don't miss them. But we obviously will. So yeah, let's have some food. I'm super hungry.
So guys, we quickly ate something and now we are here in Haram to spend our night. I just wanted to sit here, recite Durood Sharif, make so many duas and just wanted to spend time because kal subah hame time nahi milega. We have our connection wali flight, so sara time consume hone wala hai and we'll have to rush to the airport. So हमने सोचा कि अभी बैठते हैं हरम में सुकून से.
Hello guys, so अभी हो रहे हैं सुबह के 6:30 something और हम जा रहे हैं for our breakfast. So I skipped breakfast for one day because मुझे थोड़ा average breakfast लगा honestly, but since it's the last morning here, I thought just let's have something. So let's go and have breakfast. So guys, हमारी लिफ्ट में यहाँ पर एक चेयर बनी हुई है for senior citizens, disabled or even senior citizens, but I like to sit here. Yeah, tamam, let's go. So guys, we are heading out of Medina. So sad. I just never feel like leaving this place. I guess no one does. खैर अभी मैं पूरी तरह रेडी नहीं हुई हूँ, थोड़ा बहुत गाड़ी में होंगे रेडी. And yeah, we're just getting in the car and we're heading to the airport.
So guys, leaving Shahre Medina is one of the most painful things to do. But yeah, we are heading home. And this is the end of our journey and of our Medina vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And I did not record any much then. This is us and we are just reaching home. So see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.